Men over 50, have you ever wondered why you take zinc pills faithfully every day and still feel like nothing has changed? You're not alone. Millions of men are in the same position, doing all the right things, yet still waiting for results that never seem to arrive. I'm Dr. Olivia Harper, your men's health expert with over 15 years of clinical experience, helping men just like you reclaim their vitality, energy, and intimate confidence. And tonight, I'm going to share two simple natural foods, two ordinary nuts that research suggests may actually support your sexual and hormonal health more effectively than many zinc supplements on the market. Even better, I'll show you exactly how to use them in just 5 minutes before bed. Before we get started, type 1 in the comments if you're ready to embrace a food-first approach to men's health and learn something your supplement bottle never told you. Now, as always, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your supplement or nutrition routine. Let's start with the truth. Most men over 50 never hear about zinc. It's one of the most essential minerals for male vitality, vital for testosterone production, sperm health, and immune strength. Yet the irony is that the more men rely on zinc pills alone, the less benefit they sometimes see. Why? Because the human body doesn't just need zinc. It needs zinc that it can absorb and utilize efficiently. Typical zinc supplements, especially the cheap ones, often have poor absorption rates. They pass through your system quickly, leaving your body with only a fraction of the mineral you paid for. Many men also experience stomach upset, nausea, or constipation from these pills, and the cost of long-term supplementation adds up quickly. Even worse, studies show that many men who take zinc supplements still end up with borderline or suboptimal zinc levels because their digestive system simply doesn't recognize these synthetic forms efficiently. So, what's the solution? It's not more zinc, it's better zinc. Zinc that comes naturally packaged with the coactors, amino acids, and enzymes your body already knows how to process. And the best way to get that kind of zinc isn't through a capsule, it's through food. That brings us to tonight's focus. Two powerful yet humble nuts that can gently nourish your system from the inside out, supporting better hormone balance, improved blood flow, and even deeper, more restorative sleep when eaten at the right time. Let's start with our first natural powerhouse, cashews. Cashews aren't just a creamy snack you reach for during the day. They're small nutritional powerhouses packed with zinc, magnesium, and trace minerals that work synergistically to support your body's most important functions. Magnesium alone supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body, including those linked to testosterone synthesis, blood pressure regulation, and muscle relaxation. When combined with zinc, it helps optimize enzyme function and protect against oxidative stress, the kind that quietly erodes your vitality over time. Here's a myth I want to clear up. Not all zinc is created equal. Zinc from food sources like cashews tends to be more bioavailable. That means it's easier for your digestive system to recognize and use. When you eat cashews, you're not just feeding your body zinc. You're providing it with natural fat, protein, and fiber that helps slow absorption, ensuring a steady release of nutrients through the night. Cashews also contain small amounts of plant sterols, compounds known to support hormonal balance by gently modulating how your body metabolizes cholesterol, the raw material for testosterone. And remember, cholesterol itself isn't the enemy. It's the building block your body uses to make hormones. Without it, your testosterone machinery can't run properly. If you enjoy a small serving of cashews at night, around a handful or 146 pieces, you're giving your body gentle, sustained nourishment right before its prime repair window. During sleep, your body's testosterone production peaks, your cells regenerate, and your liver detoxifies. The minerals from cashews are right there supporting those systems quietly and efficiently. Now let's move to our second nut, one that I personally consider one of the best foods for men's vitality. Over 50 walnuts. Walnuts are often called brain food because of their distinctive shape, but their benefits go far beyond cognitive support. These little gems are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which plays a critical role in supporting cardiovascular and endothelial health. That's vital because strong blood flow is the foundation of male performance at any age. As we age, the inner lining of our blood vessels, called the endothelium, tends to lose flexibility. This makes it harder for blood to circulate freely, which affects everything from energy to mental clarity to, yes, erectile function. Walnuts contain polyphenols and antioxidants that help protect this delicate lining, allowing your vessels to relax, expand, and deliver oxygen-rich blood exactly where it's needed. Here's a fascinating fact. A UCLA study from 2012 found that men who ate walnuts daily experienced a 16% improvement in sperm quality, including motility, vitality, and morphology. Even if fertility isn't your concern, this finding matters because it reflects improved testicular and vascular health, the same systems responsible for sexual function and hormone balance. In other words, what's good for your reproductive cells is also good for your overall performance and vitality. When eaten at night, walnuts do something remarkable. Their omega-3 fats support melatonin production and reduce inflammation, creating the perfect environment for your body to rest, repair, and recharge its hormonal systems. Think of it as giving your body a gentle nudge toward natural recovery mode. So, now that you know why these two nuts are so powerful, let's talk about how to actually use them. This is what I call your 5-minute nighttime ritual. A simple yet effective routine to help you reclaim energy, performance, and balance. First, portion control matters. You only need about 1 ounce total per day. That's roughly one small handful of mixed cashews and walnuts, around 20–30 g combined. In this case, consistency beats quantity. Overeating nuts adds unnecessary calories and fats, while a steady daily habit gently rebuilds your nutrient stores over time. Second, timing is crucial. Eat your cashews and walnuts about 30 minutes before bed. That's when your digestive system begins to wind down and your body starts shifting into repair mode. Those nutrients, especially magnesium, zinc, and omega-3s, are absorbed and utilized during your deepest sleep cycles. It's when your cells regenerate and your endocrine system recalibrates. Third, a small digestibility trick that can make a noticeable difference. Soak your nuts. Place them in warm water for about 2 hours before eating. This softens their outer layer, neutralizes certain natural compounds called phytic acids, and makes the minerals more bioavailable. Many men find that soaked nuts are easier on the stomach and lead to smoother digestion. For an extra synergy boost, enjoy them with a glass of unsweetened almond milk. This combination provides additional magnesium, healthy fats, and a subtle calming effect, perfect for easing into sleep and supporting overnight hormone repair. Now, let's talk about what you can expect when you make this ritual part of your nightly routine. Remember, results vary, but here's the timeline most men anecdotally report after consistent use. Weeks 1 to 2. Better sleep quality, deeper rest, and more morning energy. Because sleep is when testosterone is made. Better rest equals better recovery. Weeks 3 to 4, noticeable improvement in mood, focus, and libido. That spark that once faded starts to return, not in a sudden way, but as a steady renewal of confidence and vitality. Weeks 5 to 8. This is where the transformation becomes obvious. Many men report stronger, more reliable performance, quicker recovery, and a deeper sense of overall wellness. You begin to feel like your body is working with you again, not against you. This isn't just about intimacy. It's about reclaiming your energy, focus, and confidence in every area of life. Because when your hormones are balanced and your circulation is strong, your entire system thrives. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few quick bonus tips that can amplify your results. These simple habits can double the benefits of your nightly ritual. Tip 1. Practice daily Kegel exercises. Just 3 minutes a day strengthens your pelvic floor muscles, improving bladder control, erection quality, and overall confidence. Tip 2. Be mindful of high-dose calcium supplements. If you take calcium, avoid consuming them at the same time as zinc-rich foods like cashews. Calcium competes with zinc for absorption, and spacing them out ensures your body gets the full benefit. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Water is the vehicle that delivers nutrients, oxygen, and hormones throughout your body. Drink plenty during the day, but reduce intake an hour before bed to avoid nighttime bathroom trips. When you combine these small, consistent habits with your nightly nut ritual, you create the perfect environment for your body to rebuild strength and vitality naturally. So tonight, skip the synthetic pills. Instead, grab a handful of cashews and walnuts, soak them if you can, and give your body what it truly understands: real nutrition straight from nature. Your journey toward restored confidence and vitality begins not in a pharmacy, but in your kitchen. And if you're ready to take the 30-day challenge, comment below with your start date and share your progress. Every success story you post helps inspire another man to reclaim his health naturally. And before you go, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, I'll reveal 3 testosterone boosting fruits that are probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. Thank you for watching, for caring about your health, and for showing up for yourself tonight. Your body is capable of more than you think. It just needs the right fuel and a little consistency. See you in the next video.